Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to take this. We're gonna cut it in half, and we're gonna hollow it out, and we're gonna put it back together. So it's like, you know, those plastic Easter eggs. It's just, you divide it in two and you put it back together. Okay. So first step is cutting it in half, so that you have to think of like, where is a good place to cut it. Like, I've got this nice face. I don't want to cut it straight down the face, because then the seam of putting it back together would be really messy. So find the least obtrusive place to cut it in half. So I'm going to cut it this direction. And you got to do this when it's firm enough to be kind of strong to hold up to this process, but it needs to be, you know, still cuttable. So you can't have it too dry. So I'm going to cut this in half. So now I've got my two halves. And I'm going to just hollow out. And you got to think about like your pinch pot skills here, using your fingers to make sure you can feel a thickness. So the first thing I like to do is sort of draw, like, now I know this is going to be my wall. So I'm going to very slowly scoop this out. Now you don't have to use a loop tool, but if you have a loop tool, it's probably the easiest way to do it. And it may take a little bit of time. So I'm going to scoop this out. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing that. That's step one.